حصريا على شبكة سما الإنشائية.
We're here on this special day. Our hearts are full of pleasure. The day that brings the two of you close together. We're gathered here to celebrate a moment you'll always treasure. We ask Allah to make your love last forever. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us. And